instant coffee and our Panda Bonos before we toddle on off to the airport. Yummy. We're both in agreement. It's time to head home. This has been a perfect city. And I think it takes, probably say about 2 days to see everything here. 2-3 days, maybe 3. And then I would move on to the next town. I can't imagine any town in Colombia would be as cool as this one. Yeah, I'm ready to go see my dogs. Either that or I'm gonna bring some Colombian dogs home. Let's go light some candles. Oh, I'm gonna do them all. Okay, I'm gonna melt them. Okay, one.
Eva, right here.
I got one more. All right, 7 candles. Oh, they're so cute. Okay, off we go. All right, that only took us about 5 minutes, so we're 2.5 hours early, but it's better than too late. Now we just have to find the Copa Airlines, which is right there. That was pretty easy. There was only one little restaurant, little cafe thing for food out there, and we saw that the lounge was right next door. And we gave it a shot with our priority pass because they had a little placard thing showing it. So luckily we got in. So we can scarf down some food before we fly. I mean, they're not arepas, but they had empanadas. I'm a happy girl. I think they're getting ready to board our flight, but they're boarding like an hour early.
No, that's the other one that's boarding at 9:27.
No, it says they're boarding.
That's 9:27. We're 9:37, which is too good.
Oh shit, which one are we flying on? I suck down as much water as I can.
Just to pee 9 million times.
Yeah, just to make Roy get up 13 times.
And she asked for the window seat.
I did.
Like, you only get the window seat on the long flight if you dehydrate yourself.
Yeah, that's true. That's only an hour. We'll pee again before we leave.
And on the flight.
Traveling is thirsty business. All right, we're back in this zoo. Time to go figure out our trip. Hardest part is over, I think. I hope. That was a really, really special trip. Not ready to go. I mean, I am, but I'm not. Time to go home. And then we can go find our next special place. Okay, one flight down, 2 more to go. Easy peasy. You wanna go find a lounge? Sure. A different one from last time?
Maybe.
Yeah.
Depends on if the heater fixed.
I don't want the heater fixed, I want the AC fixed. So the food selection over there, not the greatest. I was hoping that was raisin bread. So there were a bunch. It is. There were a bunch of different kinds of bread. And like a thing of yogurt and a thing of rice pudding. And the fruit was gone, but that's about it. We really only have half an hour, so. This isn't bad. This is really pretty. I'd come back. Do you want to go get some?
Yeah, I'm gonna go.
Forgot to mention, we got into this lounge with our priority pass that we got with our American Express Platinum. The longer I have my American Express, the more I'm thinking I'm going to get rid of it next year. I don't think it's worth the expense. Because you really can only use your priority. Well, let me back that up. The best benefit is the priority pass, and we only really use it when we're out of the country. And I fly mostly in the country for work. So it's really not worth the $700 annual fee. It does offer car insurance, but I'm not usually the one driving when we're on trips. That's really good. It's like, they said carrot bread. Tastes like spice cake. Board in about 20 minutes, which will be a quick hoof back that way. Yes, 201 is our departure gate. And then we will go back to America. And then we book our next trip. Yeah, he didn't say no, so that means yes. We have to scan our metal detector our bags to get on this flight, which is weird. But I mean, I guess you catch stuff that you wouldn't have caught before. This is intense. Shoes, bags, pants. Maybe not pants. Here. Wonton. Thank you. Woo! Oh boy. Okay. 6.5 hours. Time to sleep. Okay, hopefully it's one quick trip through customs, collect our bag, recheck it, and then through TSA again, and on to Billings. They handed us Our cards with the letter E on them when we went through customs. I thought they were gonna search us, but nope.
You thought they were what?
Gonna search our stuff.
No.
Nope. Okay, we're headed to our last flight. The one up to Montana, the one to home. He swung into the lounge to get a quick bite to eat and snarfed out a huge pile of pulled pork. It was really good. And umpteen million cookies. So now we're gonna head home.
Should really just bang.
Okay, this is it. Okay, we're on our last flight, so we're going to say goodnight.
Once you find your seat, please have the
Yeah.
zero to allow
We'll
those
see you
behind
on the
to
next trip.
Let us know if you need any
Bye.
assistance on your back.